Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. As a macrame beginner, I was looking for a book that would explain to me how to do the knots, a guide, not necessarily for patterns, but a guide to make the knots, and I have found one. This is what we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you what the book is, where I got it, where I found it. So let's get into it. This is the book that I found. This is not the cover page. I'll show you the cover page right here. This comes from an Etsy shop. The name of the shop is BoholinaMacrame. It is exactly what I was looking for. It's called 3-in-1 Macrame Knot Guide. It's the ultimate knot guide, 42 basic finishing and decorative knots. And it's only knots. Part 1 of this book is Macrame Knot Guide, and there's 10 knots explained. And you have pictures. It reveals how to do each knot, each of the 10 knots. I don't know how good this is. I've not followed or done the knot yet. But it looks well explained. You've got the picture and also the writing. Part 2, if we go to part 2, it says useful knots. And again, you've got 20 macrame knots. Guide for total beginners. And again, it's all explained. This is the 4-strand alternating half hitch knot. Like I said, I'm a complete beginner. I have not done these knots yet. Look how pretty this is. And part 3 is the finishing and decorative macrame knots. I guess this is, if I understand correctly, this is when you finish a macrame pattern, you can use these knots to finish them out. You've got your barrel knot, heaving line knot. It looks like it's well explained. I can't wait to give this a try. Eternity knot. And lots more. The reason why I purchased this is because I'm going to be making more videos. My journey with macrame. I have ordered some macrame kit from Temu. So we will, by using this and the instructions that came with the macrame kit on Temu, I should be able to do this, and we'll do it together. Let's look at what I've purchased on Temu. So this is a keychain. So this is a little macrame pattern. It's in 2 different colors. I'm going to be doing this, and also another keychain, a little heart. Oh no, it's this. Okay, another keychain, and this one, oh, this looks like a leaf. And we have this one. It's another keychain. So these are beginner keychains. I love doing these small things because they don't take a lot of time. I also purchased, I think these are, oh yes, so these are Christmas trees. So I will also be doing this one. This one will be a little bit longer to do, but I should be able to do it. If you want to follow me along in my macrame journey, I will be doing a video for each of these patterns. We will see if I can do this, if I can follow along. Of course, I should be able to, but I do need some help. If ever you see I'm doing something wrong, please don't forget to leave the information in the comment section, like someone did on my first macrame project. I did a little error when doing one of the knots, and I really appreciate that person to let me know my errors. This is something I will look forward you guys helping me out with. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.